We have here the Hanged Man energy. You could be waiting here for something, yung iba parang nakalimutan niyo na nga na hinihintay niyo ito 'no. For some reason, this gives you this type of feeling that you're not comfortable about it, okay? So it looks like you're waiting for something, puwedeng kung ano 'tong bagay na 'to, hindi ba dumadating or hindi mo alam kung darating pa ba 'to or whatsoever, okay? You want balance. I'm seeing number 12, this could be somewhat special to you, important number, or maybe birthdays right in here, but when you add 1 plus 2, what will you get? 3, and 3 is the number of balance. So let us see what is happening here. Okay. Oh. It looks like with the Eight of Wands energy, Eight of Pentacles right in here, and the Moon, it looks like there is some kind of this message, no? At itong message na to ay dadating dun sa time, no, na kayo ay may ginagawa, no? At yun nakikita natin dito, no? At yeah, nakakuha rin ako dito ng energy na, I don't know what is this talaga, but I want to say or gustong lumabas sa bibig ko, no, na yung iba hindi lang kayo basta may ginagawa, puwedeng buwisit pa kayo. Puwedeng yung iba hindi lang kayo basta busy rito, hindi lang kayo basta may ginagawa 'no, yung iba busy na nga may ginagawa pa kayo 'no, tapos buwisit pa kayo 'no. Puwedeng hindi dun directly sa ginagawa ninyo, pero yung iba yes, pero yung iba habang may ginagawa puwedeng may ibang concern na iniisip, may issues na ibang iniisip. Yes 'no, I'm seeing something here in your mind, and it looks like there's this message with the Eight of Wands energy approaching you from behind. So you do not see this coming, but it looks like now with the moon right in here, this is definitely coming, okay? This is inevitable, meaning to say, no, it's certain to happen. Siguradong mangyayari, no? Nakikita ko makakarating yung mensahe na yan sa inyo. This could be an online message here, no, with the presence of Seven of Cups energy, but you could be receiving this, no, through any, makabagong technology ngayon, no, like cellphone, handphone, no, tablet, ano man yang gamit ninyo, computer, social media ninyo, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Telegram, yan. Okay, and let us see what is this message right here. We have here this Two of Wands. I mean the Two of Swords, but I mentioned Two of Wands now because I saw it now. And my vision right now, center of the reading is the Justice, Ace of Swords right in here. Okay. Okay, Four of Cups. Okay, we also have here, yeah, definitely, no? These are the two fastest energies, no, sa tarot, the Chariot and the Eight of Wands energy. Definitely, it's inevitable. This is definitely something here that will happen, no? So we have here yeah, look at that. We have here the Three of Wands energy and the Sun, okay? Hi and hello there collective. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Istam buyers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, meron pa tayo na other channel, link down below sa ating description box. So if interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo dun at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs. There, at yun nga lahat yung gender dito, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po ay welcome. So just take only what resonates, guys. Okay? At timeless din po tayo dito, meaning to say pwedeng nangyari na, sa iba nangyayari na, sa iba mangyayari pa lamang po. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates. So here, malinaw, no, na meron dito kayong ginagawa, busy kayo, no. So you could be working here, like literal na nagtatrabaho kayo, maybe nasa office kayo, or nasa shop ninyo kayo, no, you're doing your business here 'no, at you're busy sa'yo ritong pagkakaperahan 'no, sa way of earning a living mo 'no, and yung iba hindi naman as in talaga related sa money ninyo kung ano yung ginagawa ninyo 'no, sa time na mangyayari ito 'no. Pero you're busy doing something, puwedeng kayo ay nagge-general cleaning ng bahay ninyo, puwedeng kayo ay nag-aayos ng room ninyo, ng kwarto ninyo 'no, or you're just, I'm seeing someone here na organizing his or her things. Maybe yung inyo rito na drawer, yung inyo ritong bag 'no, or you're just, organizing, inayos ninyo 'no, yung, inyo ritong gamit 'no, puwedeng gamit sa bahay or whatsoever 'no. So, I do see na yung iba sa inyo hindi lang kayo basta nag-aayos dito ng something, hindi lang kayo basta dito working on something 'no, kundi yung iba sa inyo bad trip pa kayo. Meron ditong ibang bagay kayong iniisip like concern and issues 'no, na puwedeng personal yon with the appearance of Five of Swords to the Two of Wands and the Seven of Cups. So, I do see 'no, kaya pala natin 'yun na-feel kasi nga yung iba sa inyo bad trip kayo because puwedeng meron kayo ritong, sitwasyon kung saan nauna na yung sitwasyon na 'yun 'no, bago pa mangyari itong pagdating ng message na ito 'no, na mare-receive ninyo 'no. So yung iba mga babes 'no, more likely talaga message 'yan, pero yung iba siguro may mangilan-ngilan sa inyo 'yan ay phone call, okay, or tawag, 'di ba? So lumalabas rito mga babes kung sino man yung mga nakaka-resonate or makaka-resonate dito because a lot of you, this is something here like a prediction to your future, like hindi pa 'to nangyayari pero dahil ito ay isang inevitable, this is something here na sigurado na mangyayari. Darating talaga 'tong message na 'to 'no, and nakita natin that this person here, na makaka-resonate rito or nakaka-resonate sa reading na ito, this is a long-awaited message here for you guys. I do see you right in here that when this message arrives 'no, yung pagiging rito na imbalance mo sa energy mo will be balanced here. I do see that with the Justice energy 'no, everything will be clear dito. And it looks like nakikita ko rito 'no, na ito yung hinihintay mong mensahe at nakikita kitang sasagot, magre-reply or magre-response dito. So, halo-halo 'tong mensahe na 'to, tingnan mo 'yan. Okay, kasi iba-iba kayo ng situations dito sweetheart 'no, puwedeng 'yan ay message about your career, baka may ini-inquire ka dito 'no, company or related dito sa gusto mong pasukan or maybe you are someone here na puwedeng may iniintay ka rito 'no, na related sa business or sa job mo. You could be an entrepreneur to some of you, iba naman sa inyo maybe yung hinihintay ninyo ay yung good news about your money 'no. Others 'no, I'm hearing inheritance right in here, but others this could be 'no, a money na naipangako sa inyo ng someone, baka may magbabayad ng utang hinihintay niyo rin siya. Others 'no, you're waiting here 'no, for some kind of, I'm picking up reservations or puwedeng meron kayo rito 'no, na pina-reserve or whatsoever, maybe related with your travel, okay. Pero yung iba parang pina-reserve na bibilhin, order, gamit, could be limited edition but doesn't have to be. Pero gusto mong maka-receive niyan, so parang gusto mo na, ma-purchase ang isang stock ng isa rito 'no, na product item or even, property to some of you. I'm seeing house right here. Okay? Or yung iba naman dito related sa dream mo with the stars right in there, no? So it looks like, no, you're waiting here for some kind of related sa wish mo na message na ma-receive mo and yung iba it's about love. Look at that heart shape, no, you're holding for a lot of you. That is, yeah, we're hearing that song. So it's you I've been waiting for so long. Yeah, it's Christian B or Christian Bautista song, but mag-focus tayo dun So it's you I've been waiting for so long. So meaning to say, parang ikaw to, no, na papasabi ka ng, ikaw yun. Yan, no? So it's you. No? So definitely, you are waiting here for a lot of you. Iba-ibahin niyo rito na situation, but for a lot of you or marami sa inyo 'no, yung tao na hinihintay ninyong mag-message related sa inyong love life is about to message you guys, and it is a long-awaited message. Yung iba sa inyo puwedeng ito na yung pagpansin sa inyo ng isang person na 'to. We've got right here this Ace of Pentacles energy. Yeah, you will definitely receive that message coming from that love of your life, the one you're interested with, the one you like, or the one you love, you know. So this person here, no, is someone na maaaring magpakita na ng interes sa iyo dito. I'm seeing you responding dito. Magre-reply ka sa kanya, and this will be a very good day here. Yeah, look at that. You are in a bad mood, but after this message arrived, nakikita natin dito na you will be in a good mood. You will dance, you will smile, no? Yung iba hindi magda-dance dito pero ngingiti kayo all day, no? And yung iba sa inyo, no, maaaring hindi naman ito ang person na interested kayo when it comes to love, but maybe you're waiting here for some kind of an apology or forgiveness with the justice energy. This might be coming from your ex-lover right in here, a long-awaited apology, asking for forgiveness, saying sorry. Yes, you will receive that, no? Because others of you, you are wanting here closure. Okay? So, just take only what resonates, no? Piliin nyo lang yung mga messages rito, no, na tingin mo ay for you. Okay, no? So, you think with this Four of Cups energy, hindi na darating tong araw na to, no? Nung papansin ka rito ng person mo, ng taong gusto mo, ng taong like mo, o yung iba sa inyo, akala mo hindi na darating yung araw na magsusorry tong ex mo sa'yo or someone here, no, na posibleng may atraso or naagrabyado kayo in the past, no, pero dadating because the Chariot and the Eight of Wands, no, ay parehas na lumabas sa reading mo. Imagine, merong 78 card ang deck ng tarot, mga mahal, no? At ito, no, ilan lamang yung piraso nito dito pero nakuha natin. It is because this is you, no, na you are someone here, okay, na na-manifest mo ito. Because you're now busy doing here, no, yung iyo rito na own thing. Yung life mo, mas nagpo-focus ka doon. Kaya yung mga hinihintay mo, mabilis na dumadating. Especially when it comes to this message, no, this long-awaited message dito, 'di ba? So it looks like kung sino man to, no, na person rito, no, na magme-message sa'yo, siya. It's you, no? Yun yung masasabi mo sa kanya, siya yung hinihintay mo talagang mag-message sa'yo. With the star card energy, Three of Wands right in here, the Sun. Okay, I love it because this is something here, no, that with the Sun, okay, nakikita natin dito that this will make you happy. Okay, at yung iba, no, peace of mind, yung nakikita ko rito, no, sa inyo. And also clarity. Okay, so parang may energy rin dito na sa wakas makaka-move forward na rin ako, you know. Move forward in a sense na posible you will take action now. If it is related to the one you're interested with, ibig sabihin action, no, para mas magkalapit pa kayo, mas maging kayo pa, or mas mapalalim pa ang inyong connection kung kayo na yan or whatsoever. And yung iba naman sa inyo, no, this will bring you peace of mind if this is someone who hurt you from the past, no, receiving sorry, apology coming from that person will give you aid, no, will give a sense of serenity and calmness in you, and at the same time, no, peace of mind, 'di ba? Yun naman ang importante rito. Parang now, you can take action, no, to close that chapter and move forward without that person. Yan, because you already receive the closure that you've been wanting for so long. Wow, yeah, star is definitely, no, a very strong energy rin of healing. Okay? So, I do pick up na mas maghi-heal pa kayo, mas magiging okay pa ang well-being ninyo, and nakikita ko rito, no, na para kayo ritong nag-close ng chapter of a book, no, to start a new one. Yan. So, I do see, no, na sa kabila ng pagiging busy at buringot ninyo, sa araw na ito, mahahanap ninyo rito ang happiness, no, and finally, kapayapaan will enter your energy. Yeah, so this a long-awaited message right here 'no, na hinihintay mo, eto na, paparating na sa'yo 'no. Parang ito yung klase ng energy mga babes 'no, na hindi lang ito basta nag-jeep, hindi lang ito basta bike 'no, or nag-bus, nag-train 'no, kundi talagang lumipad itong mensahe na 'to papunta sa'yo or lilipad itong mensahe na 'to para sa'yo para mas mabilis, 'yan. So, eto mga babes 'no, yung mga initials na nakikita ko rito, we have here letter S, letter O, letter C, letter P, letter T, letter Victory V, letter E, letter J, and last but not the least, the letter A. So yeah, these are all the messages. Thank you again, I'm Yuriana on Sarang Hail Love and Light. 안녕.